Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sofyan Arisa Putra. Here I want to explain the material that I made in Thailand. Materials, computer, and hardware. Definition of computer. A computer is an electronic device that can receive data or input, process data or process, stores data or storage, and produce output in the form of information. Computers operates based on instruction given by the user or program. Main function of computer: input, receive data from device such as a keyboard, mouse, or scanner. Processing for process data into information. Output for produce information through a monitor, printer, or speaker. Storage for storage data and information, for example, on a hard drive or a solid state drive. Control for control a device to work according to instruction. Computer component or hardware and software. Hardware, physical device that can be seen and touched. Number one, input device: keyboard, mouse, scanner, webcam, microphone. Number two, output device: monitor, printer, speaker, projector. Number three, processing device: CPU, or central processing unit, the brain of the computer. GPU or graphics processing unit, processing graphic. Motherboard, where the main component are installed. Computer component. Number four, storage device: HDD or disk drive, SSD or solid state drive, flash drive, memory card. Number five, memory, RAM or random access memory for memory, ROM or read-only memory for stores basic instruction. Computer component B. Software, program, or instruction that control the hardware. Number one, operating system. Manage a computer resource. Example, Windows, MacOS, Linux, Android. Number two, application software. Program to assist user with tasks. Example, Microsoft Office, Google Chrome, Photoshop, games. Computer component. Number three, programming software. Used to create program. Example, Visual Studio, Cam, Code block. Number four, brainware or computer user. People who use, manage, and operate computer. Example, operator, programmer, technician, system admin. Second, material hardware. Number one, definition of hardware. Hardware is the physical component of a computer that can be seen and touched directly. Hardware function as a tool for receiving input, processing data, storing data, and producing output for the user. Number two, main function of hardware. Input for entering data into the computer. Processing for processing data. Output for displaying result. Storage for storing data. Control and communication for managing workflow and communication between devices. Number three, hardware categories. Input device for entering data or comments into the computer. Example, keyboard for entering text and comments. Mouse for controlling the printer. Scanner, scanning document or image. Webcam for capturing image or video. Microphone for inputting voice. Barcode Reader for reading barcodes. Touchscreen for input via touch. Second, material hardware. B. Output device, device for displaying processing result. Example, monitor, display image. Printer for printer prints document. Speaker for production. Projector for display image on a large screen. Headphone or earphone for listen to audio. C. Processing device. A device that process data from input to output. Main components. Number one, CPU or central processing unit. Referred to as the brain of the computer tasked to process and execute instruction. Number two, GPU or graphics processing unit. Process graphic very important for editing and gaming. Number three, motherboard, the main board where all components are connected. That's all from me. If there are any wrong words, please forgive me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.